Welcome to Dr. Dentico YouTube channel. Here I will post dental study videos which will help you in all types of dental exams. So if you like this video, then please like it, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So today my topic is wound, which is included in our general surgery section. So first we will define the wound. Discontinuity or break in surface epithelium is known as wound. So basically wound is divided into two types. One is the simple and second is the complex. In simple wound, only skin is involved, and in complex wound, underlying nerves, vessels, tendons, etc. is involved. Okay, so as the name wound suggests, W is stand for when, O is stand for once, U is stand for uniformity, N is stand for nearly, and D is stand for disturb. Okay, when once, uniformity, nearly, disturb. Okay, so now we will classify wound. Wound is classified into tidy and untidy. So when wound is clean and incised wound, it is tidy, and when wound is crushed and contaminated, it is untidy. Okay, so second is the acute and chronic wound. When it is stab wound, it is acute wound, and when it is leg ulcers, pressure sore, it is chronic wound. Okay, mainly wound is divided into closed wound and the opened wound, and closed wound is divided into three types: contusion, abrasion, and hematoma. Here is some short trick for remember this. It is HAC, it means hack. Now the open wound is divided into four types. First is the incised, lacerated, punctured, and crushed wound. And the short trick for this is the clip. Okay, so wound is basically divided into closed and open wound. Closed is types of closed wound is the contusion, abrasion, hematoma, and in open wound, incised, lacerated, punctured, and the crushed wound. Now we will discuss about this all types in detail. So first is the contusion. First is the contusion. So contusion is the minor soft tissue injury. So when it is soft tissue injury and also minor, so it doesn't involve skin. So without involving skin, then the it can be major. It is normally minor, but it can be major. When it is major, when due to run over by vehicle. Okay. In contusion, wound produce discoloration of skin due to blood clotting. Okay, so it is about contusion. Now we will discuss about abrasion. Okay, so in abrasion, epidermis is scraped away. Epidermis is scraped away. मतलब कि एपिडर्मिस पूरा रिमूव हो चुका है. सो dermis is exposed. Due to epidermis is scraped away, so it is very painful wound. So it is painful because dermal nerve endings are exposed now, so patient can feel sensation of pain. Okay, so in this type of abrasion we have to treat abrasion by cleaning, antibiotics and proper dressing. Next type is the hematoma. Hematoma. Okay, so as the name suggests, hematoma, so collection of blood after injury. Then it is commonly seen in hemophilia patients. Hemophilia patients, and the site of hematoma is subcutaneous, intramuscular, or even sometime periosteal also. When hematoma in knee joint, when hematoma occurs in knee joint, it may have to aspirate followed by compression bandage. Okay, if small hematoma is there, in small hematomas it will get absorbed by themselves also only, get absorbed. If not, may get infected. For open wounds, I will cover that topic in next video, so stay tuned and stay connected. If you have any doubt in this video or any correction, then please let me know in comment section.